Welcome back to the Universe of TechHub. In this tutorial, we will learn about event handling. First of all, we need to learn about what is events. Events are actions or occurrences that happens in the browser, like clicking a button and typing in a text box or moving the mouse in React. You can respond to these events by writing event handlers. Like next, we move on to the how to handle the events in React. These event handlers, these are functions that run when an event occurs. You can define them in our component, your component and attach them to the elements using a JSS. In React, you use a JSS to define your UI. You can attach event handlers directly to elements using a camel case syntax like that. I'm taking one example to show how it works. The event handling is the handling events in React is allows you to respond to the user actions like clicks and input changes. You define event handler function and attach them to the elements using a camel case syntax on click, on change. These are the examples. You can manage the states and update it based on user interactions, making our application dynamic and interactive. This should give you a clear and simple understanding of handling events in React. Like important points to remember in React is event names are written in camel case like on click, on change, and also passing arguments. If you need to pass the arguments to your event handlers, you can use an arrow functions in this. I'm taking one example to show. Like this is the example. This is the on click event. I inserted the button into this. Like the button was click, it increments the count in this and attach the event handler button on click. This is the example for buttons. I save this and run this code. This is the example for button in event handling. Like I click these buttons, it increments the counts like uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm taking another function to show using arrow function. Like first I import create React app. First I import a React from React. Next I declare function app define an event handler function with constant handle 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 click equals to open braces close braces showing a alert. The button was clicked. It shows an alert when the button was clicked. Is end with semicolon and it returns like division. I'm taking one division tag and h1 message, h1 tag. In the h1 tag, hello, something I wrote. Hello world button on click handle click. I'm taking handle click function. It attaches the event handler handle click. So this click me. It shows the attach the event handler. I'm using a handle click arrow function. Next, I close this division flag. It's showing a hello world. Click me. It shows the alert message button was clicked. So this is the example for event handling. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.